The body products that I purchased today was such a massive hit. I am like, why didn't I do this all this while? My hand is like so soft. Like it actually just slipped some time back when I was doing it. But like to the point, the body polish was a deep, profound polish. So it was kind of different from the previous one that I used, the pomegranate one. And it was so good. Like I highly recommend down in the description. But I think இதுதான் like influencer suggest பண்ணி எனக்கு அந்த hype புரிஞ்ச ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்னா இதுதான் நான் சொல்வேன் because already I just used it and I came out forgetting about the shower oil because I thought the shower oil is supposed to be used after like you dry yourself but apparently it's not, so I jumped into the shower again but and the body polish use பண்ணிட்டு வரும்போதே my skin was so soft and like shiny. I need to stop yapping but end of story, so good. Rendu product is so good. I think if I finish that and if it's still winter, I will definitely buy the full size but I think it will like create a hole in my pocket but still because it's so good and in the weather it's like so much needed because I'm getting like I'm not like a very dry skin person but this country has just made me like a very dry skin person for some reason. But yeah, that's all good shopping trip to be honest. Next lip balm try panno. I'll try it after some time. Tastes like vanilla cake. I think vanilla is one of the ingredients. It is so good. Not a big fan of the packaging because kind of like the dispenser doesn't like allow you to apply it but I think this is like so handy and it's so good and it's giving that texture of indie wild lip balm. Yeah, I can totally like use this here. It's a couple of days later. I had like very intense work week. I realized that I have never spoken about what exactly I do after I'm back home and just in general like the meal prepping part and the important parts. So in the 2 weeks time, this is the third week. But what I've been doing is I usually meal prep on Sundays. I am kind of making like 2 curries, like 2 boxes of rice and then I will marinate my protein which is most probably just chicken. I do alternate with salmon but I haven't gotten salmon in the last couple of weeks, so pretty much just have marinated things and like stocked up in my fridge and na veetukku vandu apparama and like pack my box for lunch. So pretty much for lunch I just take a bit of rice, the curry and the protein that I've prepared. So இது actually பண்ணி வைக்கிறதுனால it's very easy when I come back home. In general it's just making my life way more easier but இன்னைக்கு வந்து the protein that I prepared, that I marinated, surprisingly got over and it's just Wednesday today, so I need to marinate chicken again for today's dinner as well as lunch for the rest of the week. Yeah, so I thought I'll take you guys along with that but I will be doing like morning routines, evening routine and all of that a little later once I completely settle down. I do have a routine now but I'm still in that settling phase. Yeah, adanaala innu structured full illa. I'm pretty much just coming and relaxing once I'm back home, not thinking about anything else, not going on social media, not even like actually going on YouTube to be honest, but I like it. It's peaceful. Oh, and also one thing that I really need to complete this week is the book that I'm reading. I'm currently reading The Wedding People. That book is so good, so good. I'm 50% done but that 50% took me 2 weeks because I kind of exactly started it the week that my work started. So it's been like I'm only able to read like 20 or 30 pages per day, and that book is about 400 pages. So you can do the math. But in the week, the priority is to finish that book. I haven't had like a proper reading time as such, even during the weekends, because there's some work or the other. But this week, we are finishing the rest of the 50%. It's all about it for now.